Today we will see another benign tumor, papilloma. We have already seen few benign tumors like adenoma, fibroma, hemangioma, lipomas, meningioma, myomas, neuroma and neve that you will get in my playlist. Today we will see in detail about papilloma. 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 It is a common benign sessile pedunculated tumor. It is composed of squamous epithelium. It is a simple overgrowth of all the layers of the skin. Papilloma arises from epithelial surface, either from epidermis or from the mucous membrane. This is a picture of papilloma of skin. Examples for papilloma are 1. From the epidermis, papilloma of the skin. 2. From the mucous membrane. There are of so many types. In that, A. Squamous cells. It may arise in the tongue, cheek, lip, esophagus, etc. B. Transitional cells. Pelvis or the ureter, bladder, etc. C. Columnar cells. They are seen in colon, rectum, stomach, small intestine, etc. Among these, rectum is the commonest site. Third one, from the walls of the duct, example, breast. Fourth, from the wall of the cyst, example of ovary or breast. Papilloma of the skin. Cutaneous papilloma may be either of 1. The squamous cell type or 2. Basal cell type. In this picture, you can see a papilloma of the upper eyelid. This is a picture of basal cell papilloma. Now we will see in detail about squamous cell papilloma. There are 4 varieties of such papilloma. In that, number 1, congenital papilloma. The name indicates it is usually present since birth or appear in early life. It is often of brownish color. The second type is infective papilloma or infective wart. It's also known as verrucae vulgaris. It is a common papilloma which probably arises from virus infection. It may be single or multiple. It may disappear spontaneously. Such papilloma is seen in children or adolescents. It particularly affects the fingers, palm and the sole. Infective wart may disappear by itself but recur after removal. When it occurs in the sole of the foot, they are called plantar wart. It may be difficult to differentiate from a cone. You will study about this further in your final year. We have studied about this infection in our Google class. We will get a lot of cases of this HPV infection in our OPs. Third one, soft papilloma, which is often seen on elderly people. Comparing to the other type, they are very soft. Fourth one, keratin horns. This is due to excess keratin formation and it is also seen in old people. Second one, basal cell papilloma. Synonym, seborrheic or senile wart, seborrheic keratosis, etc. This condition is seen in persons of middle or old age. This occurs in numbers on trunk, face, arms and armpits. These are raised brownish warts. These are slow-growing tumor. They begin as a minute patch which gradually increases in area but not in thickness. They may suddenly fall off, uncovering a pale pink patch of skin. They have a distinct edge and a rough surface. The size varies from few millimeters to 2.3 cm in diameter. It is slightly harder and stiffer than normal skin. Treatment. Papilloma are usually excised for cosmetic reasons. Nowadays, laser treatment and cauterization techniques are also used. Other managements in plantar warts. 1. Socks may be changed to cotton variety. 2. Application of formaldehyde at nights. 3. Silver nitrate application. 4. Curettage or excision should be carried out if all other measures fail. Few indicated homeopathic medicines for papillomas: Thuja, nitric acid, Delcamera, Sabina, Natramur, Anticrude, Sepia, etc. Write therapeutics of these medicines in your surgery notebook. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.